Eraban ipolsin karina ko Elgon Rogers taitika ngesi abala loloebe apoti ipolsin kota jutujal situma loe kara kaisara nukanya pe lo apolo akaulo na totoke ashisha na diope na de siali tai ali morakira polis eta kitaitika ebe alimonokinilem situna ashisha kam adil no somero tuputuse Kanu ngesi ebe ti Esisianakini erokidwe kai mwalimu luche edoluna shoman
is with us in custody on aggravated defilement. But we want to ask the school, the heads of school, to always make sure that they bring criminal in nature for a teacher, for any person to spoil the young girl, to spoil the students. So for us, we are not going to just look at this era, but what we are doing, we are saying that we speed up with the investigations to have this one Situma, Joel, produced in courts of law so that he faces this aggravated defilement issue.
Ada report along aleuda loi wadikata Burnabas Lubanza Aisha onebem isiali taipesule somero.
Medical examination on both the victim and the suspect have been concluded, and we are just waiting for the file to come back from the resident state attorney so that he puts a minute so that we can have this one Situma Joel produced in courts of law on defilement.
Ejai kwane musagolo afairo enabam ichaira ibam Iuni kanyare kanyangon lokara lilukunyare keda kesira nuni police na kombale nedare morero yapesi local resident state attorney arabonat RSA Kanu dadum nachoretam ero yangara kiranu adieket apupie musagolo.
Continued efforts of community policing, we've seen a decline in these cases of defilement, because when you look at January, according to our statistics, you see that we had in the entire Elgon region 100 reported cases. Then in February it dropped, we registered 89. When we moved to March, it continued dropping. It's 82. So we are waiting to monitor how we are going to perform during this month of April. Ideally, commend the public because they have been at the forefront to see that they let us know, because we can't be everywhere. And we encourage them to continue reporting these cases so that we can have these suspected offenders arrested and prosecuted.
Dilax Emi Alamu, Paul Watala, Kanuka TV East.